Hi everybody. So I decided to take my phone out and I'm going to record a quick little haul. I just went to Aldi's. I love watching these. I feel like it gives me some inspiration as to what other people are eating, and honestly I still go grocery shopping with my 5-year-old, so as much as I'm trying to look at things in the store, I don't always catch things. So I find hauls are super easy to kind of see what else is in the store without being in the store. So I'm also going to mention that I am on a new little venture here trying to heal my gut of sorts, because I don't know what's wrong, but from time to time my stomach kills me. It's like this burning, stabbing pain right here. I've done the endoscopy, I've done an ultrasound, I'm fine according to the doctors. So working with my acupuncturist seems to be helping, but I'm taking it upon myself to also try a little bit of a gluten-free and somewhat dairy-free lifestyle, and that is this. That's Bradley in the background that you can hear. So without further ado, let's get started. In real life, I just kind of laid everything out in sort of an order here, but we'll start here real quick so I can get this stuff put away. As far as meats go, I just feel like last week I didn't buy enough, so I went with some ground turkey. So as far as my menu plan, it could go into tacos. I might even do like a breakfast bake with some egg whites and spinach. I'm not quite sure yet. And then I can use, it seems like everybody likes beef tacos more. So I'm also noticing anything really high in fat seems to trigger some stomach issues with me. So I'm trying to really be cautious of leaner meats. So this is all trial and error. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make myself feel better. So right now I'm honestly doing great with almost a plant-based diet, but I do feel like sometimes I'm trying to listen to my body. So I got some meats today. Hopefully we can use them. I love these. The tenderloins are really easy to cut up for, gosh, just about anything. We love panko chicken tenders in this house. They're pretty much a weekly staple. And then I got some actual chicken breasts. Hi, Holly. I've been watching Tiffany Beeson on YouTube. I will link her recipe for the Marry Me chicken. It looks to die for. And she just did a dairy-free one, so I might actually go with that and try that out. So these pastas are really easy. My husband works late night sometimes, so he gets home, and I just want to have something really quick and easy to be able to mix up with some marinara sauce. So I did some raviolis. Kids love turkey pepperoni, less spicy. This is something that has now hopped in our cart 2 times. This is a treat, but I also am going to try out some of this probiotic strawberry yogurt for the kiddos as well. Fire roasted tomatoes for one of my recipes this week. Pesto, I love to put these in meatballs, so if for some reason I have extra ground turkey or beef, then I can throw that in there. And I just realized I forgot to show off this. I haven't tried this kind, but I did get like the Fiesta Lime or something last time, and my husband loved it. Again, it's just a quick and easy, throw it in the oven, bake it away, and you know, at 8 o'clock when he's home and he's hungry, it's just really super simple and easy. I'm gonna try some chicken sausages. These are pretty simple ingredients. I really appreciate that. One has a little more sugar because it has, I think, is it maple? Yeah, apple maple, and then this one's just country style. And then we've tried these before. They're really good. Great sheet pan idea. Throw some veggies, potatoes, and those on there. So again, moving into the fire roasted tomatoes, 2 of these. I really looked at the ingredients, and what I liked about this kind, we've had it before and I enjoy it, but it doesn't have a lot of stuff. Like you look at some of the other ingredients and there's just a lot of things going on. Same with, I went with the bone broth as opposed to the chicken broth, because all there is chicken stock, chicken flavor. That's it. So these are for me to try. I'm not a big cookie person, but I just made homemade cookies for everybody the other day, and I kind of felt like, so I might try some. And again, not really sure. They are gluten-free, paleo, vegan, non-GMO, so let you know how those go. Staple in our house, we don't drink regular milk, so we've got the almond milk. I love kombucha, so I got one of these. This is one of my favorite kinds. Little man loves his orange juice, huh, buddy? Some simple pastas.
This is not orange juice.
No, but I'm showing off the orange juice. So these were kind of along this line. They were sitting together. So a little sweet treat if I want something. Again, not really a big sweet person. I'm gonna try these pancake baking mixes just to see how those go over. I do like brown rice pasta. I've had that before with the quinoa. It's really good. It's simple to just add it with the marinara. One of my favorite hummuses is this one. And again, it's like I'm still learning. I think hummus is gluten-free, but I'm like, is there anything in there that's not? Moving on to eggs, we always get the organic cage-free. The best price seems to be at Aldi's. It's incredible. So if you are trying to stay with organic eggs, definitely check out Aldi's for their price point there. Got some avocados, broccoli, spinach, kale. Like this is all what I try to like sneak into food for everybody / mama's haul here. Yeah, but sneaking the veggies in. Raspberries are really good from Aldi's right now. Tomatoes and cilantro, just to kind of jazz up my salads and maybe some taco bowls and whatnot. I also grabbed these. Maybe I'll do burgers or something, or kind of like whatever I'm in the mood for make here. And then I get these for my husband. I pack his lunch every day, so I always try to have little extra things. And then Jordan Page, she posted a recipe for this, and I linked it on my blog last time, so I'm going to try that out. It's like a fruit salad for kiddos. Okay, so these are for, we have helper day tomorrow. That's going into school, and then whatever leftovers will come home. These are for their picnic day, and then these are for me. And my son is totally obsessed with goldfish. Cheesy, extra cheesy. Yeah. All right, he is now requesting a bongo. So, come on, get in here. Say hi.
Hi.
That concludes our little haul here. And I spent $127.
Why are you not talking about me?
Okay, $127 for all of this, which honestly would have probably cost me $350 at the other grocery store. So
No.
if you're not an Aldi's fan, I highly suggest it. So let me know if this is something you are interested in seeing more of. Do you like seeing hauls? And would you like to see other grocery hauls? I actually just placed my first Thrive Market order as well, so that'll be coming in soon. But I am just a busy stay-at-home, work-at-home mama who's trying to be healthy and get the kids to eat what they need. And also, I should mention, my husband has Crohn's disease, so what he can eat and what I can eat are always two different things, it seems. I need lots of vegetables and lean proteins and not so many carbohydrates, and he needs basically all carbohydrates, which makes zero sense. In any research you've ever done, you'll see that sugar feeds inflammation of the guts would be Crohn's disease. But you know what, if it's working for him, it's working. So this is life, right? I am constantly trying to just be the best version of me, and I am all ears for anything or any suggestions that you may have after watching this video. Thanks so much.